Your offer is confusing, and here's how to fix it in under 30 minutes. Hi, Thrive family. My name is Jerica, and I'm your favorite business mentor and strategist. And if your business or your offer is confusing, just like we did on our tip of the week, it always shows up in your revenue. And it also shows up in the processes that you once had that were working that are no longer working. So, how do you fix this? The first thing you need to do before you can redefine your offer is figure out if your business matches the same group of people that you originally started for. Who these products and these services cater to and are created for will adjust your offer. This looks like if you're in consulting with AI, did the offer change when AI became more prominent? If it did, then you need to adjust with the time. So in order to do this, do some research, see some market research, see some studies, figure out what are those people doing now. Identify your target customer. Are they still the people who care about this product that or service that you render? And if the answer is yes, or if the answer is no, you need to recater yourself to them and then create an offer that is appealing to that group of people. If not, you can be working against progress. And this is what we found ourselves doing. Recently, we went through a huge transition where we scratched a lot of our business module to include the changing dynamics in the market for AI. We had to adjust our offers. We had to adjust the way that we came on. And if we did not, we were fighting against progress, and that showed up in our revenue. We do not want you to have that same issue. The first thing you need to do is do some research. Figure out who wants what and what you were currently offering, and if the people you were offering that to actually wanted it. Now, number 2 is redefine your offer. Can you work with the changing climate in your industry? Like us, we can work with AI. We can show our business owners and educate on how to use AI to get the best results out of your business. Look and see what industry changes can you incorporate inside of your offer to give you the competitive edge to keep pushing forward. Your promise. Did your promise change, or did you ever really have one? If you've never had a promise, this is how this works. You need to figure out through every product, through every service, through every interaction that someone has buying experience, are they receiving the exact same promise every single time? And does your business actually stand on that promise? Don't promise something that you can't deliver. So our promise is that at every single encounter, entrepreneurs thrive. That's whether you're purchasing our binders, our workbooks, coming to a class, a free mentoring session. We are promising that you will thrive in every interaction. And we stand on that promise, and we back that promise. And our reviews actually co-sign that we back that promise, if I do say so myself. So you want to make sure that your brand's promise is something that you're able to deliver every single time. Deliverable. What are the services that they're getting? What are the products that they're getting? What are the benefits of those services and products? Customers need to know that so they can continue to either come back or refer you. Timelines. When you're restructuring your offer or kind of decluttering your brain, timelines are extremely important. For us, it took us to take off from November of 2025 to now. We're in Q2 in April. So yes, it took us a while, 6 months, to go back into scratch everything and rebuild, just because we've been in business for so long. And we wanted to make sure that we were thorough and we were accurate, and that we redefined our systems and put the systems in place that is needed. You want to make sure that your timelines are doable for you, and you also give enough time for you to actually impact change within your business. Yes, it may seem like you're getting rid of a lot, but you need to make sure that you do that so that you can grow. The last point is pricing alignment. With the current economy, people are struggling just for groceries, right? So you also need to factor in if the group that you're talking to, who the products are for, can actually afford them. Sometimes it's adjusting the group that your product or service is for versus adjusting the price, or it's adjusting the price to reach that group that you're working for. Either or. You need to make sure that not only does your pricing align with the economy, but it also aligns with the offer and the services that you specifically provide. If you need help or guidance, we're here to help you. So click the link or visit our website at www.thebrownsagency.com and hit book a consultation and schedule your free 15-minute discovery call. Or if you want longer, go ahead and book a coaching strategy call. All right. And always remember, here at the Browns Agency, entrepreneurs thrive.